Happy Thursday. We are going to do some quick sight word practice. We're going to do some word mix up, and then you're going to read the decodable on benchmark. So that's our plan for reading today. So to start us off, I'm just going to flash the sight words, and I want you to say them and do the action. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Move. Move your body. Away. What was our action for this? Was it like go away or bye, I'm going away? I think that was it. Sometimes I forget. What's the word? Change. Oh, this is our fun action. Ready? And the last one, my favorite, laugh. Such a good word. All right, we're going to do some word mix-up. So if you have something to write on, if you don't have something to write on, you need to get it. So get out a notebook or something you can write on. For word mix-up, we usually change out one letter of each word, so we can kind of build a little bit of a word ladder. In class, we usually erase and just change that word, but since you don't have whiteboards at home, we'll just do a little bit of a word ladder, okay? All right, so our first word, and we're working on our or sounds. Or. Oh, it sounds like a seal. Or. And corn. Oops. Our first word is corn, even though I just showed it to you. All right, let's try to write it. Ready? Corn. Should have it in about 3, 2, 1, especially since I just showed it to you. Corn. And we have our O-R-R that says or. Corn. Now we're going to change something to change corn into horn. Like a doo-doo-doo horn. Think of what you should change. Corn into horn. Most of it stays the same. We change that initial sound, the k, into a h. Corn into horn. All right. Now we're going to add something to change horn into thorn. Like a thorn on a flower that you poke and it hurts your finger. So change horn into thorn. What makes the th sound? Thorn. I'm going to show in 3, 2, 1. Thorn. 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 If you remembered, the TH makes that th sound. All right, our next word is more. Can I have some more, please? More. Think of how to spell it. M-or. M-or. Now, if you just wrote M-O-R, you're close. That is more, but this one is spelled O-R-E. Like at that bottom one. O-R-E. More. That's how we spell it. M-O-R-E. And that says or. M-or. More. Can I have some more, please? Now we're going to change more into what happens when you work out a lot. Sometimes you will be sore. So let's change more into sore. S-or. Sore. I'm going to show in 3, 2, 1. Sore. More into sore. So we just changed the m into a s. So now we have S-O-R-E. And notice our or is staying the same. Let's do one more. We're going to change sore into store. Like go to the store to buy me some fruit. Yum. Store. See if you can think about it. Can you change it on your paper? Let's change it together. So we have sore. I want to make it s-t-or. So what should I add in here? S-t-or. A T, and I can just slide it in there. So we have more, sore, and then we change it into store. Like go to the store. All right, we're going to do one more word mix-up group. This one's going to start with or, like the oar you use to row a boat. Or. Do you remember how that one's spelled? Or. Go ahead and try. Try writing it down. I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1. O-A-R. Or. That's the kind of oar like you row a boat. Row, row, row your boat. Use the oar. All right, now we're going to change or into sh. Soar. The bird is soaring above. Soar. So what do you need to add? I bet you can do this pretty quick. I bet you can do it in about 3, 2, 1. What did you do? You just add the S, or into soar. Okay, now this one's fun. Now we're going to change soar into soaring. I saw an eagle soaring outside. So we're going to keep our soar and add the ending ing. Soar-ing. Try to add that ending and I'll show you mine in just a minute. Soar-ing. I hope you have it written. I'm going to show in 3, 2, 1. Soar-ing. The owl or the eagle is soaring outside my house. Soaring. All right. Now you're going to go on to benchmark, and I'm going to flip this around so you can see all the tools. Let's see. Your decodable today is a night hunt for food. This one has a lot of or sounds in it. We have some sight words: away, change, and move. And a night hunt for food. Ooh, look at that bat. Oh, and an owl. What do we call animals that are up at night hunting for food? We call them nocturnal. So our book is going to have more words because we are getting more farther along in first grade, so you are becoming better readers. Remember, with these books, if you want to read it to you, you can click auto, or you can, I think auto would be the whole book, or you can just click play and it'll just read this page.
At night, we go to sleep.
Pause. So you can have it read the whole thing to you, and you can go to your tools and find all the or words and highlight them. I want mine to be pink. That's how I'm feeling. So at night, we go to sleep. No or words yet, but some animals wake up at night. Still not hearing or. In the woods and at the shore. Yay, I found one. So if there are words you don't know, I guess you need to click back over here and get your cursor. There we go. You can click on them if you don't know the word night.
Night.
There we go.
In woods.
Okay. So if you want to read the whole thing to you, click auto and then play. If you just want to read most of it to yourself and just read the words you don't know, click on it and it'll read to you. So read through it at least 2 times. Try to find all the or words, and then we'll come back to this tomorrow. Okay? So do it at least 2 times. Go through the whole book twice. You can have it read to you the first time if you want, and then I want you to try to read more on the second time and find all those or words, okay? And once you get to the end of the book, it does give you a list of all the or words you should have found. So after you're done reading, make sure you found all the or words you can. All right, have fun. I'll see you in a bit.